What's up, everybody? Nolan with Black Diamond Services. So, out at this place doing some tile cleaning. We got some polishing to be done, some countertops. We're going to be polishing those, and let's see, master bath floor and all that. So, we're going to get this started. So, Black Diamond Services, and hey, what is this? What in the hell? Yeah, what you doing here? Oh man. We just phoned both Daryl, DWES Enterprises, and Nolan here to do some business, making it happen. Shoot, Daryl actually got me on this job with him, so we out here taking care of some tile. So big props to Daryl for hooking me up with coming out here to do this job. Definitely check out his YouTube channel because there's going to be video of both of us, different parts of the job. So if you want to see the whole picture, you got to get up on both channels. So definitely check out Daryl, DWES Enterprises.
It's a good, nice sized job.
Oh heck yeah!
It's different from what you guys been seeing. A lot of carpet cleaners only show you carpet and upholstery. It's a little different. So stay tuned.
Heck yeah! Thanks again, Daryl. What's up, everybody? Nolan with Black Diamond Services. I got a special one today, so let's see what I'm doing here. I am out in the Bay Area. This is something that I don't normally do, but we're gonna see why. Oh, I'm out here with DWES Enterprises, Daryl, helping each other out today. This is a special situation where we got Black Diamond Services and DWES Enterprise doing work today. So we aren't too far from each other. I'm about an hour and a half from him. He's out here in the Bay Area, so if you guys need somebody that does great work, be sure to hit up Daryl. This is what it's all about, guys. Supporting each other. We're not competition. We had a class together about a year and a half ago or so that we met each other in. It's all about supporting each other. We're all in it to make money and do good work and all that. But today we teamed up, DWES and Black Diamond Services, out here handling business. We are doing some tile cleaning and some light polishing on a job that he got, that he wanted to have another person with to get this going for them. So we're gonna go in and take a look. All right, everybody, so we are in the master bathroom doing some countertops. We're gonna be hitting these floors up. Like I said, we got Daryl, DWES Enterprises out here. We're helping each other out today, getting this job done. So I was working on these countertops, and he's recocking this tub here, and then we're gonna do the same thing over here on this top piece. So he's touching up an area here that was a little dull. So we're trying to bring it back to just a normal light shine as the client requested. And then we're going to be hitting these floors up, mainly because those spots right there, they're kind of etched into the stone. So we're going to hone it down a little bit and then bring it back up to a light shine. Again, client doesn't want like a glossy look, but just as you can kind of see, a light reflective appearance. So I just finished doing a light shine on the countertop here. As you can see, the light shine reflecting off here. Then we're going to seal these countertops, and then we got a handful of similar situations in some other bathrooms throughout the house. But yeah, this is what it's about, helping each other out, getting things done. So this is a first for Black Diamond Services and DWES to team up on a job, but that's the way it should be. Help each other out, get that work done. What's that?
Water?
Yeah, just straight water.
Okay,
Yeah, for rinsing.
Got some on there.
Yeah, no, it's just some water.
one attachment I really like on here is the squeeze.
Alright everyone, so what I'm doing here is applying some hard water remover. We're in the kitchen, so it's obviously where countertops get the most use. The master bedroom only had a very little amount around the faucet area, so Daryl and I are applying this on here. This is one of the first steps for getting the counters nice and clean. So this will help get rid of those hard water deposits, if any. And then we'll wipe this off, prep it for the neutral cleaner that we're using. All these products are from Stone Pro, if you're wondering. So once we get to next few steps, we're going to do some more prep work here. Oh yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Alright, so next up is some polishing crystallizer. So Daryl already hit up this side of it. And then getting ready to prep the side over here, get that done, and then we'll go from there.
Clean up. Super easy.
So Daryl's running the second pad that we're doing for the polishing. There were those spots, if you remember them, they were right where he was standing. And that first pad he used got rid of them. So now he's going to pick up the slurry from buffing it. And then probably move over, do this next section. And then we're going to be good to go to seal it up and then have a happy client. So this machine's awesome. Floor's getting back to normal again. So if you guys want to see more footage, you're definitely going to have to go check out DWES Enterprises on YouTube. He's been taking some video of some of the other stuff we've been doing, so definitely go check him out.